balele. Why sleep nkosi yami? Why decide to sleep? Umuntu acabanga ukudlala. Akulaleki. Ayakulaleki. Okay. Hi, ngibhekile. I'm watching. Show Nhlaka, skipper nenhlaka. Nhlaka, bariki Nhlaka. Show Nhlaka, show. Sthembiso 25. Hola mfethu. Mtshali, ngiyaphila Mtshali. I'm very well. Nkosi yami, I'm very well. I'm very peps, very indeed. Uboyulele. Now boyulele. It's time for a sleep. Akusana skhathi. Bantwana bayalala. Ayimabaze ngaphasipali. Usho yiphi mfethu? DJ. Khuluma ngengoma yiphi? Which one are you talking about? Yobatisaka ngathi uphetha amamitha. Hakuchukule, hakuchu. Yobatisaka saka. Ushon, ayimabaze ngaphasipali. Ngibatshele ngenzani. Akodi deng komo nathi ngiketsa fela. Kodi deng sakafela. Komo nathi ngiyazi. Oh shit. Amariya ishaya yona. How are you? Tshepiso mfowethu ngiculele ya. Tumisho, how are you Tumisho? I'm good. How are you? Me is very good. Me is good delicious. Yes, yeah man. So bashayela ama spinning kick bangawari na ungawari ngoba wawara siyowara sonke. Hey. Nwayisa lenhloko. Umuntu kumele akere impahla. Angilali nkosi yami abantu abanemali abalali. Sichabo. Next, no sleep. Shosho piso, awe. Pisoto. Thank you for the funny, thank you Nyabonga for the funny thing. I'm thankful. I'm grateful, I'm everything, Kosia. Anginamali, lo ufuna 25k anginamali Nkosi yami, I'm sorry. Ola Tando, Masindi, Hola. You're beauty man. 2 million ikona. 2 million ayipheli khona. Oye bana. Alala manje. Izinyoni ezimbili zazihlele emthini. Enye yathi kuyini lokhuya. Enye yathi indoda ngesibhamu. Khahlela le camera yo bloody swine. Izinyoni ezimbili zazihlele emthini. Enye yathi kuyini lokhuya. Enye yathi indoda ngesibhamu. Enye yathi masibaleke. Where's Masoja? Masoja is sleeping. Enye yathi kuyini lokhuya. Enye yathi indoda ngesibhamu. Enye yathi masibaleke. Enye yathi Can anyone ngicela paragraph encane ngizokhahla icamera soon ningawari ngicela paragraph please. Ngipheni paragraph, I want to show you something guys. Anyone please send a paragraph. One Kosiam, one person. I'm good, how are you? I'm good, very good. Ngifuna paragraph pen. Like say your swine hello sharp masocha sharp skip on. Oy paragraph uphi yena. Ngitsheleni Kosiam uphi yena. Usayibhala namanje ingabe yide, short paragraph. Write anything you want. Niyawara, that's the problem. Just write a paragraph. Kosiam mara labantu. Niyawara, that's the problem. That's a big problem. Shay paragraph incane nakusebusuku abantu batswafa abakwazi nokutype. Uyatype uyalala. Umunye bekethi ngitypela walala. Ngiyababona bafuna ukulala Nkosi yami. I'm really sorry to those bafuna ukulala. Lalani Nkosi yami, lalani. Shosho hola bafowethu hololo Nkosi yami awu. Hey rich uncle. Ngiyakubona Mr. Money in the bank. Bloody swine himself Nkosi yami. Oh shit. Abanye abantu ngiyababona na. Oskambo la. Nkosi yami Oskambo sebayajoin. Why ningalala? There's a problem, you must sleep. If you don't sleep, uzoba nezinto man Nkosi yami. Okay guys. Ani send ama rose Nkosi yami, sendana ama rose. Uyazi mfethu akulaleki mawunemali, wangalala unemali wena. Akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki mawunemali. Okay, I'm gonna make a song with that akulaleki mawunemali thing ne. You guys wait. Share the live, because share the live. I'm recording live now. I'm recording live. Akulaleki mawunemali. Akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki. Abo 12 yavuka. Ungeni live mawuqeda uyasaka. Ay akulaleki, akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki. Oh shit. Akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki. Abo 12 yavuka. Ungeni live mawuqeda uyasaka. Akulaleki, ay akulaleki, akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki, akulaleki mawunemali, akulaleki, akuvumeki, Okay guys, ni ready for ukuzwa results. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, nisen ready nkosi yami. Ngiyabona Tumisho, he's the only one who's ready to hear the song nkosi yami. Abantu abekho ready. And man ngekho ready ngiyangistress. You make things go peps, go indeed. Ngithola. Fanele nibe ready nonke nkosi yami. Asibone, Tumisho ready. So Tumisho the only one who's ready. Ngathi ngiyosendela uTumisho lo ngoma le. I'm ready. Oh, no blessing already. Now already name. Oh, abantu ba ready. Ngiyabona we are ready, ni ready. Oh, Nkosi yami abantu ba ready. Mani ba ready nami ngi ready. Siba ready sonke. Siba ma readist. Si ready, we are ready family. Backup nyano ufuna ngishama backup mfethu ngawani uzowashama ngiqeda ama backup. Uzwa le beat man. Uzwa le beat. Uzwa. Nkosi yami ngifuna ukujayiva. Oh. Western Cape uyazi sisonke bafo. Akulaleki ngoDisemba uzu DJ ya DJ leli. Ngabe unginikeza ama lyrics. Mfethu DJ ngabe unginikeza ama lyrics. Ngabe sayishare le mali yale ngoma. Asima style. Oh, tempo Nkosi yami hayi. We are not ready. Let's keep on bantu bakithi kuyanyiwa. Uyazi mawune imali uzophuza. Uzoba inkinga mawungathola imali Nkosi yami. That's why uNkulunkulu abantu abaningi akabanika imali. Just because benza izinto, they do things. Ningawari Nkosi yami. Those who wanna back up the song Nkosi yami, I'm really sorry. Because the song is not coming out. The song where we're just playing Nkosi yami. Where your head. Nyakuzwa mfethu. Nabantwana bathi nabo keep on pushing. I like your videos. Thank you. Can I act for you guys? I wanna do things. Can I give you a show for free? Yes, can I? Okay. Can I add someone? I want only one person. Who must I add? I want to talk with him. We have a conversation. Udla ibhanana lami lonke, your blood is fine. Okay, I want only one person, only one person. Only one person. No, I said enjoy. Do you know Nkunzebo Vumhlongo? Do you know him? Do you? Anmazi nini? Okay, thank you for those one on my side. A long time ago, there was a man called Masoja. That man was a man of gold. He was born legendary. Where he came from, he was running from some things. Creatures. No, Kizzy. Yazini mamlambo man, izolo mengilele lapha yana uLindiwe. Lindiwe izinto zenzako man. uLindiwe uyasuza man. That's the problem. Lindiwe man, ngitshela wena ngathi uyekela ukusuza. Ebusuku uyasuza, emini uyasuza. What the things are going on, perhaps indeed. Yeah man, utshela uManqobo man. Yeah. Sibusiso. La Sibusiso man. Izinto zenzako Sibusiso man, you do things man Sibusiso man. You don't care. It's nice. I like it. I like it. You like it. I like it. You like it. We all like it. Masihlangene singama like. Khahlela le phone, your bloody swine. Hey. Yanyiwa. Ulala nini? Angilala namuhla. Like we said, akulaleki mawunemali. Akufambeki. Hayi akulaleki. Unudlela abantwana imali. Yes, that's what I do. Thanks, bro, for liking my song. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Mfowethu akahambi mfowethu. Kuyanyiwa. Let's do a video tomorrow. Ungawari mfana wami uyawara. I don't have anything. I like your moves, bro. Thank you. Those moves, I got them from somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere. Abantu bakithi ebusuku so. Yabona makusebusuku so. Skathi dep. Hey. Siyabakhipha. Ayangena bazingene siyabakhipha. Asikhiphi mfowethu. Lo. Naye lento masoni. Akusho. Yobatisaka ngathuphetha amamita. Yobatisaka karotweri limita. Yobatisaka ngathuphetha amamita. Yobatisaka karotweri limita. Akuchile. Yobatisaka chimyaka weza. Chimyaka weza. Abantu bojayiva nkosi yami. You are not ready. Are you ready? Abantu bojayiva namuhla. Blood is fine. Yobatisaka ngathuphetha amamita. Yobatisaka ngathuphetha amamita. Yobatisaka karotweri limita. Yobatisaka ngathuphetha amamita. Oh shit. Masoja, masoja, iyo, iyo, masoja, iyo, masoja, iyo, masoja, iyo, masoja, iyo, masoja, iyo. This song, Gosiam, is fire. You see this song, the song that I've just made. You see the song that I've just made. Oh, this is the song that I've just made. Masoja, masoja. Shosho bafethu okay ngibonge bafethu. Oscar Scott, thanks mfethu. Soldier yiyo ngiyabonga mfethu. Kizzy no Kizzy. Isiphumile ingoma masoja Lindo. Mfethu ayikaphumi ingoma kunezinto ezenzakalayo ngale ngoma. Man, can you please follow me? Yebo mfethu, I'll follow you. All right. Oh, okay. Hi. This song. Yes. Awarago siyabakhathlela. Awarago siyabakhathlela. Awarago siyabakhathlela. Yeah, aware Nkosi yami. Oh shit, this song is cool. Yes, it's cool time. Ding ding ding, got it cool time. Ding ding ding. I'm a lucky star. Born from here, going there, from there to there. I'm a superstar. Eh. Shit, I'm read. Nkosi yami somewhere. I'm sorry. Shit, somewhere mfethu. Ngiyabonga Lindo, ngiyabonga, it's on fire, ngiyabonga Senathi abantu bayayigqwala le ngoma sho ukuthi iyashisa, ngiyabonga. Thanks. Mfana futhi, thanks. I want to scheme you, no. Yes, we must scheme me mfethu, mara if you want to scheme me, you must have money mfethu so that we can eat your money. Oh, terms and conditions. I love it when somebody tell me this is not the time. Njalo mfethu, issues, but issues, what is issues? Issues. Issues. I don't have jokes. Nkosi yami angwenza ama-jokes. I'm sorry. I don't do jokes. I'm acting real life, real things that are happening. Hey. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also good. Where are you from?
I'm from KZN.
KZN. So you speak isiZulu?
No.
You speak Zulu? You only speak English? Yeah. Ish. Me, you see, the English that I speak English that is for only grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for primary school. It's not straight English. So you're gonna hear me
I'm in grade 7. I'm going to grade 7 actually next year.
next.
What?
I'm going to grade 8. I'm older than you. But then I'm not sure. I'm waiting for my report. Tomorrow I'm going to get it.
I got it today. That's why I'm saying I'm going to grade.
I'm sure, I feel like I'm gonna pass. Yeah. What are you doing there?
I'm not doing anything. I'm just listening to music.
Like listening to music too. Okay, can you play what? Maybe.
No.
Why?
I don't have viewers.
Yo, you don't have views, no? Okay,
I just started the live
go for the delight.
2 minutes.
Okay, I feel you. So it's 87. And the music that you're playing there is not for a small learner, that one. You are a big one.
No, not even.
Yes. Bloody swine. Abantu kumele sibakhahlele fast. Ngiyayizwa Nkosi yami. Hey.
Ushambenta.
Ashudaba, ushumbuda. Ushumda. Shumtumsala. Ishimpuaya. Putumpuaja. Shimtalaka. Udurkosha. Shindalaka malaka. Simtaila. Eka kondondoa. Chikofa. Kana gomo bono pewa. Akani fama cha kwa. Baya bantu sobakhahlena. Ayabantu sobakhahlena. Masikuthatha sizangathi sifuna siyafuna manje. Mfethu lelo bloody swine. Hey, Mamillion, yes, shorty. Sobakhahlela fast. Sobakhahlela fast. Sobatribula fast. Yonke into fast, but fast. Sobatribula fast. Soba. Role model, hola, Mr. Billionaire, Nkosi yami. I'm not a billionaire, I'm a Gideonaire. Mr. Gideonaire. I'm no longer a millionaire. I'm Mr. Gideon.